Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here. Oh, I whistled then. An extra whistle just for you. So yeah, I got some newbie products to show you. Got an unboxing and it's pretty heavy. I'll do my best. Hang on. Oh, this is the box. Okay, so as you can hear, it's full of stuff. Well, I'm really excited. I've been waiting for this one. I have. Just bear with me while I get the box. That's better. Unfortunately, because it's heavy, once it was opened, it was quite unstable and was kind of not breaking exactly. But I've got my little bill there, invoice, delivery note. So what I have are these. I'm so excited to put these in my shop, hobbyrocks.co.uk. I really am, because I needed some spares myself. So the way they come is they come in separates. So this is one of the components, and these are another. So these are the spare bases, so you can get different ones of these, put different yarns on them, and so that means that you can you know, have different yarns for the same project, or you might be working on two different projects, need two different yarns. But if you're changing colour, you might regularly and stuff, you might want to do that. So these come as separate, and I've got quite a lot of packs of those because I did actually want some myself. So here we go. As you can see, there's a fair few of these. And when I bought my Yarn Genie, it came in a very odd package. It was just, these are so heavy. It seems like it's in a box, but mine wasn't. It was in a polythene bag with some instructions. But this one, let's get this open if I can. I did have some scissors, but I've got a feeling, hang on a second, as if by magic, here they are. And they're not very good. Really bad scissors. But these ones are not my scissors that I use for doing bits and pieces with. So, oh, here we go. Yeah, it is the same. It isn't a box. It's just the way this is looped around. But there you go. You've got one whole pack of all of that stuff in here. So that's what I've shown you mine. That's how it comes. So everything you need is in this one pack. It's just that you can order extra ones of these and extra bases if you want, because obviously if you just have this, that's what it looks like at the end. Not going to stand up, are they? They're going to tilt. So you can get the extra base to put on the bottom of it so that it will stay nice and just stand up. So that's really what they're for. But I have lots, I've got a few packs of these beauties. Yeah, so excited about that, really am. So I asked for some yarn to be sent as samples, and I'm glad they sent me a few different ones, but they didn't send me the others that I really like the look of. But I am a new customer to them, so I kind of understand why they may not have wanted to send me loads and loads of stuff, although I did buy obviously from them. Sorry if you can hear other noises. That is Gary. He is doing some bits out there, do some DIY and stuff, so you might hear him. Okay, so before I say any more, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I always forget to say that. Well, often forget to say that. So they sent me a little cross section of a few of their yarns that they do. Now this one is called Cotton. So it's eco-friendly Aran. So they say this is an Aran weight. Well, not they, whoever makes this, the company. Now I find with a cotton yarn, it always looks thinner than it actually is. So it really does look like maybe a 3-ply or a sport weight yarn, or a fingering weight yarn. And in actual fact, it's a 3DK. So this one, it says it's Aran, but to me, when you look at it, it looks like a DK. But I find that cotton yarn does become thicker somehow while you're crocheting with it. It does actually work up. I've not had one that didn't so far. So this yarn band is very similar to the Poundland yarn bands. It's that kind of buff coloured vibe. It looks the same in many aspects. It's not theirs. This is called Utopia Crafts. And I've got a feeling it's a recycled cotton. So I'm trying to find some info. Now you've got 100 grams is 150 metres. Yeah, it's very similar in its banding, the yarn band, isn't it? It really is. And it's just got the colour UR02. I was hoping to find out more info from it. It's not very forthcoming. But I think this is definitely a recycled kind of cotton yarn. But wow, it is very small and very faint writing. 80% recycled cotton, 20% polyester. There we go. I got there in the end. But it is this ecru kind of colour. Yeah, so that's that one. That was a little sample they sent. Let's get the light off. Okay, so it is quite soft as far as cottons are concerned. You know, sometimes they're you could certainly make this, I would use it for, even though it is soft, you wouldn't feel like you were wearing something scratchy or, how can I put this, crummy, you know. This is falling. You could wear it, but I would make stuff for the house out of this one personally, because I have some silky, absolutely silky, gorgeous, soft cottons in my shop, and that's what I would wear. Especially things like the Savannah by Stylecraft, or the Cotton Smooth King Cole, or the Naturals cotton that I have from Stylecraft. Those ones are more luxurious, I would say. You could wear this though, and I guess the difference in price is quite a lot. That's the reason. They're silky, whereas this is just soft cotton. You could wear it, you could, but that's that one. And there's more. There is. I've got another colour. Oh wow. So is this the same, Aaron? Yes, it is. So this one's a kind of a mustard colour. Exactly the same details though. And it's actually really, I've been maligning it a little bit by saying it. I did say you could wear it, didn't I? But you know, you could definitely do something with those. They're not too bad. So that's a sample of that one. But the one that I really wanted, I've got some more of these. The ones I really wanted, I've got two more to show you, two more types. And the first one, excuse the hair, it's very fluffy today. I can't really do anything with it. This is called Simply Wool. This one I didn't ask for, but they sent it to me. I'm glad they have. And it is by Performance Simply Wool. And they've sent me two colours to look at. There's a bit of fluff there. It's only because it's been in a box without any protection. But yeah, it's a bits of inner box. But that's what it kind of looks like. It's very, very nice. For wool, it isn't scratchy. You can feel that it is wool. You can feel that unmistakable bounce of wool. Let's see if we can get this donut to tell us anything. I'm not good with donuts. All the information I want to see is usually on the back. Okay, 100%. Oh, what does that say? Hang on, that's foreign. Let's see if I can find some English. 100% wool, I guess. Yeah, they're all foreign. 100% wool. Yeah, that definitely is. 100% Lana, 100% strange words. So I would say, yeah, there's German, 100% Schuhwolle or something. Superwash wool. I found the English. There it is, 100% superwash wool. It wasn't with the others. It was separate. So yeah, that is pretty nice, really. Nice colour. It's kind of like a very, well, what do you call it? Like a really dark terracotta or a dark copper. And then there's this grey one. So yeah, as wool goes, I wouldn't mind stocking this one in my shop, because sometimes I don't like the feel. But then I asked for this. And I wanted to see these colours, and they very kindly sent them to me. I wanted to see these because of this absolutely gorgeous shine. Now this is, let me put those two down for a second. This is called Performance Cotton Dazzle, and it is dazzling. It has got this beautiful kind of almost metallic sheen to it. Really, really lovely. I like that. So I didn't want to take a chance on what it was like without having a good grope feely first. So the colours as well, I wanted to see what the colours were like. And as you know, sucker for blues and teals, so those are lovely. And I might make something with that and see what it comes up like. That is just my kind of colour scheme, really. So let's see if we can find out on this donut. The info. Well, okay, I know where it is now. 60% cotton and 40% viscose. They've only got colour numbers, which are no good to anybody. We know we can see what the colour is though, can't we? I can't find the washing instructions anywhere on this donut. But as it's mine, I'm going to undo it. Okay, let's just hope it doesn't unravel on me. I don't think it will. It's now naked donut. Right, let's see what we got. Symbols. Oh, I hate symbols. You know me. I'm not very good with them. Okay, so we've got a machine wash to 40 degrees. You can iron it. You can not tumble dry. What's a triangle? I don't know. I told you I'm rubbish. There you go. Those are the symbols. You probably know them way better than I do because I'm useless with them. People try and educate me all the time. My lovely subscribers have sent me so many times things to tell me what the symbols are. And you know what happens? I just go, oh, lovely, thanks very much. I've forgotten that one now. Next time I look at it, I still don't remember what they are. I'm looking for yardage. I'm looking for the yardage. It's a shame if I put that on my nose, no, you get to look at something better than me hunting for yardage. It's here somewhere. Goodness. Not there though. Oh wow, that is small. It's not there. Performance Dazzle Cotton 60%, blah 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 blah. I can't see it. Is it there? 120 meters. There you go. 50 grams. Look how small that was. No wonder I needed a telescope to see that. Okay, so let's get that off. That is beautiful. It is quite, it doesn't say, does it, DK or anything. Oh God, I can't look at that again. But I couldn't see anywhere where it told me what it was. I have a pair of glasses here somewhere, which, you know, probably would have been a better, good idea to put them on before I started to struggle. Okay, do I look intelligent? Do I chuff? Okay, where are we? That hasn't made a blind bit of difference. Where's the light as well? Okay, back on the ball. No, there's none of those little symbols with the weight on it, you know, like a 3 weight, 4 weight or whatever. And it doesn't actually say. So I would say that, bearing in mind what I said earlier about cotton always seems thinner than it actually is, there is our strand. So I would say that is either a 4-ply or a DK. It is quite thin, but cotton does bulk when you work with it. It doesn't behave the same way as other yarns. But I think they are gorgeous, soft, and the shine is what really attracted me to these. I did have some cotton sent to me before that had this beautiful shine to it, but I don't know, I really like these. They are snazzy and they are new to this country, so I could be getting in at the ground floor with these, but they're beautiful, aren't they? That's just gorgeous. And I am quite impressed, to be honest with you, with the wool. I don't normally that one, trouble with, because they're round, they just want to roll off the table. But the trouble with wool, usually quite scratchy, but not this. I like this. This is good. Yep, actually quite impressed with all of those that they've sent to me. I was hoping that they would include one of those ones that I said is like the Papati ones that are very much like the sprinkles pop. I just wanted to see what that was like up against it. So, how exciting. I'm going to be uploading these over the next day or so, putting them in my shop, and yeah, excellent stuff. Thank you for watching. Next time I'm going to get that cotton, definitely. I'll definitely get that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.